Respected principal, teachers, guests, and my dear friends, I am obliged and honored to give a speech on Republic Day. All of us are here to celebrate the 73rd Republic Day of our country. Republic Day is celebrated every year on 26th January. It has a special significance in the history of India. To make the event memorable, the national event is celebrated every year with a lot of joy, happiness, and pride in our hearts. My dear friends, as we know, on 26 January 1950, the Indian Constitution came into effect, and so from that day, we people of India constantly praise it as the Republic Day of our country. We all know that India got independence on 15th August 1947, but the nation didn't have any constitution of its own. However, after many discussions and considerations, a committee headed by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar submitted the draft of the Indian Constitution, which was adopted on 26 November 1949 and officially came into effect on 26 January 1950. I want to end this speech by saying that India is a democratic country. The citizens living in a democratic country enjoy the privilege to elect their leaders to lead the country. Although there has been a lot of improvement till now, also it can be said that we have been facing a few problems such as pollution, poverty, unemployment, etc. One thing we all can do is to promise each other that we will become a better version of ourselves, so that we could contribute to solving all these problems and making our nation a better place. I would like to wind up my speech followed by a moment of silence for the great leaders and freedom fighters who sacrificed their lives so that we can live in a democratic nation. Thank you, Jai Hind and Vande Mataram.